At least 10 premature babies died after a fire broke out in the neonatal care unit of District General Hospital in Bandara at around 2 a.m. on Saturday. 7 other babies were rescued by the on-duty staff. The fire broke out in the outbound section of the hospital around 1:30 a.m. At the time, there were 2 nurses and a helper in the children's ward. They immediately raised an alarm. The fire brigade was called out, but before it arrived, staffers tried to rescue the children and managed to save 7 infants, said Sandeep Kadam, Bandara District Collector. Rescue efforts were affected by continuous explosions inside the ward. The staffers couldn't rescue all the children. Asked if a short circuit was the probable cause of the fire, Kadam said, "It's too early to say anything," he added. As on Friday night, 17 children were admitted. The 7 who were rescued and have been admitted to another ward. "We do not plan to move them to another hospital yet," said Dr. Prashant Uk, Bandara District Health Officer. The ages of the deceased children ranged between a few days to a few months. Most newborns died due to suffocation. One baby had fatal burn injuries and 2 others had minor burns injuries. The rest inhaled a lot of smoke, said Dr. Pramod Khandate, civil surgeon. The outbound section is for children born elsewhere but referred to the government hospital for some kind of special treatment. It wasn't immediately known how many were boys and how many were girls. The state government also announced Rs 5 lakh as compensation to the kin of the deceased. No postmortems were conducted and the bodies were handed over to the families. President Ramnath Kovind conveyed his condolences to the affected families. "I am deeply saddened by the untimely death of infants in a fire accident in Bandara, Maharashtra. My heartfelt condolences to the families who lost their children in this heart-wrenching event," he said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the incident heart-wrenching. He tweeted, "Heart-wrenching tragedy in Bandara, Maharashtra, where we have lost precious young lives. My thoughts are with all bereaved families. I hope the injured recover as early as possible," Union Home Minister Amit Shah meanwhile said. The fire accident in Bandara District Hospital, Maharashtra is very unfortunate. I am pained beyond words. My thoughts and condolences are with bereaved families. May God give them the strength to bear this irreparable loss. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari said he was saddened by the tragic incident. "Extremely saddened to know about the most tragic incident of fire at Bandara Civil Hospital. Convey my deepest condolences to the families of the innocent children who lost their lives," he said. Leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly, Devendra Fadnavis, called for action against those responsible. The government should carry out a thorough inquiry into the incident and initiate action against those who are responsible for the death of 10 infants. It is a very painful accident, he said. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi conveyed his condolences as well. The unfortunate incident of fire at Bandara District General Hospital in Maharashtra is extremely tragic. My condolences to the families of the children who lost their lives. I appeal to Maha government to provide every possible assistance to the families of injured and deceased, he wrote. News Desk Kaumudy, English.